All right, we're going to go ahead and mix this resin together to get the mold of this port here. I'm going to coat the inside of the port with a little grease. This as a mold release. You can use Vaseline. You could probably use silicone or some other substance. It's a 2-part silicone. I'm using this 2-part A and B mix to get it in there. Now, you're supposed to mix this in a 1-to-1 ratio. That's what they say anyway. I'm actually going to do the right thing and weigh it. Hopefully we made enough here. We're going to have to stir this up really good. That should be about equal there. And yeah, it looks like we made just enough. All right, I think we got it now. That should give us a good impression. This stuff doesn't set up really hard like regular silicone does. So it stays pretty loose. We should be able to get it out of there fairly easily by pushing on it. Hopefully. I guess we'll find out when it's dry. Guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking all that stuff. And everybody take care. I'll see you in the next one.